Hi, Mai here. Thank you for joining me for your next installment of The Road Rules of E-commerce Security. In this episode, we'll be talking about the benefits of brand trust. By choosing one of the world's leading e-commerce solutions, you're already ahead of the game. But you still need a way to communicate to your customers that you put their security first. After all, they won't know which e-commerce platform you're using, and even if they did, they probably wouldn't know how that affects them. Studies show that consumers are far more likely to buy online from brands they know and trust. That's why brand trust is so important. Communicating your commitment to security is the first step in speed to trust and speed to checkout. With Otto, you not only get the benefit and peace of mind that you've taken extra measures to safeguard your shop and customers, you will also receive a SafeShop Shield emblem to display prominently on your site's checkout page, letting shoppers know you've gone the extra mile. This can mean all the difference in fighting cart abandonment and giving shoppers the comfort they need to have trust and confidence in your brand. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's never too early to start building a brand shoppers trust and love for safety. To continue learning more about your site security, click here.
Safe to dance. Oh, well, it's safe to dance. Yes, safe to dance.